So about the curtains, I'm gonna try to explain it in my way. Hope it's clear. So normally this is on the roof, of course. To get these ends off, it's not that difficult. You can just wiggle a screwdriver in between and it'll pop off. Like that. Easy. Other one. Of course there's some screws in here which you have to undo to get it off the ceiling. This is the old one, as you can see. The easy part is wiggle off this end. Doesn't matter, one or the other. Slide this off. And then there is a small little white thing in here. You can see. You can take that out. You need it later. And then if you put a screwdriver in here, you can release the tension of the spring. And then the spring is released. And then you take this piece out, also with a screwdriver. Just wiggle it a little bit. Open it up, take it out completely. There you go. So you got this piece. Don't lose this one. Goes in there. This always comes out most of the time. And then you can take out the whole curtain. So that's the curtain, as you can see. It's important to clean everything also inside here, because otherwise the new fabric will be dirty before you know it. Put this aside. And then what I did is use old stuff. So there's a nice little string in here which I reuse. So I'll take it out like that. Take the string out. Don't be scared. It's quite tough material. And then this one is a little bit more violently, because you just have to really tear it off. This whole part you need to clean, of course. Take all the old glue off and everything. This I just scrape it a little bit, because it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be completely brand new. So that is taking apart one, and then I already pre-fabricated a new one. So I got the fabric, and the fabric in Dutch it's called hotel blackout curtain fabric or something. Well, as you can see, it works quite well. So that's what we put in. And then it's fairly easy, just align so I can make sure that I'm gonna attach the drum, which I already applied new double-sided tape on it. I got special double-sided tape, which is professional. So this is quite good and very strong. I just put on like 15 millimeters or something. That's enough. And then you try to align it. And just roll it on. Let's see, because that's not. You looking for the middle part, of course. It needs to be kind of center. Just roll it on. Press it a little bit with your fingers. As you can see, it's holding. And then you just roll this one up. There we go. And then I already have a small piece of double-sided tape ready, which I am gonna glue over here, just on the edge. There we go. Take off the remaining ends of the tape. This is nightmare. There we go. So that's off. And then the string, just put it like a centimeter from the edge. Like so, and then you just fold it so the double tape is gonna glue on the other side. There we go. Press it all nice and gently together, as that. So that's a nice part, and now we're gonna put it back together. So just completely roll it in. Make sure you clean it before you put this in. So slide it in, very easy. Make sure to put it in already in the right slot over here, so it is secure. Put in the spring. It's always greasy. Make sure you don't make your curtain dirty. Put this little thing on here on the end. It only goes one way, so it's quite easy. This one, put it on like that, and then you press it in completely, because that's okay. So now there is no tension on the spring. Put the screwdriver in, just roll it up, and then, oh, I'm making one mistake because I forgot the end. Have to take it out first, of course. It's also my first time, so for a demonstration movie. So first we're going to slide this on, otherwise it's not very steady. The other way around, also fine. Doesn't matter. It's one way or the other. The end cap goes on, only one option, which you can put it back. And now we can get the tension back on the spring. First make sure it's rolled up completely, and then you can do like 4 or 5 turns-ish. It'll automatically go back, so if I let it go, it goes back and it falls into this little knot over there. So if you tie it up, there you go, and then it sets itself. So now it's already working like this. Perfect. The most important thing is put this one back, because if you don't put that one back and you press this one, the spring is really sticking. So put that one in there and you get a new one. And of course you put it back to the ceiling and you put these on, and that's it. Thanks guys.